Hi, hello everyone. This is me. Welcome back to my new another video. So today I am try to show how I give water in my popcorn pill. So as we can see, I give exactly water in my popcorn pill. It's actually first time I giving water in my popcorn pill, and I have been working since morning. Actually, I didn't get any breakfast yet. So I'm working since morning because of I wake up at 9 a.m. It's too late because of I had work in my hand. So that's why I wake up too late. And in this time, I'm working on in my field, popcorn field, as you can see. And actually, to my new experience, I don't know how to giving water in popcorn field. And it's my first time to giving this water. I can manage it because of I strongly believe that nothing is impossible, any work in the world. So it's not hard for me. I try to exactly giving the water in popcorn field. As you can see, it's almost done because of working 2 or 3 hours exactly. Okay, just keep and watch. I'm trying to give water. Okay, in this time, I would like to say something about exactly those who want to learn English like me. So exactly, we should focus many things. We should focus listening and speaking. You should try listening and speaking, and then you should focus writing and reading. So first, you focus speaking and listening is very important things. So today I'd like to say something. It's undoubtedly Bangladesh is a agriculture country, and most of the people, those who are exactly living village, they are working in the field like me, and they are making their living in this way. It's actually not a bad things because of most of the people agricultural, and most of the people not exactly some people, not all people. Most of the time, some peoples they are thinking agricultural work is not good. I mean, they are doesn't value any agricultural work. So this is the things, and you thinking, what if Bangladesh all agriculture, farmer, they are not growing any crops? So what should you do for our society? So you think, and that time most of the people, not most of the people, all peoples, they couldn't eat any kind of food. It's very dangerous situation for our family, for our society, for our country, and
After all over the world.
so it's not good things for our society. Every work is valuable for our society, and we should exactly value our every work. So this is the thing. So I already said I'm working in my field and I'm giving water. If you learn English, according to me, you should practice more and more. And at the time, you will be speak like a native, and you should practice more and more when you get a chance. So this is the things, and today I don't want to longer this video because of I'm very exhausted, and I already said I didn't get any breakfast, so I'm feeling very hungry. So after finishing my work, then I will go my home and I take my breakfast and I will start my work. So till then, take care, bye bye. I'll see you again my new another video. So have a good day. Bye bye.